for lunch today. I got a tacos lunch. Here's the soup. There's like chicken inside. I guess I'm not sure what kind of soup it is. And there's a salad right here. Then there's a taco. I guess it's like a carne asada. And there's like a chicken. And there's a salsa and guacamole. And the rice. Alright, so I guess I was wrong. This is the pork carnitas. And this is the chicken right here. And they have avocado sauce on it. But yeah. Then my colleague got a quesadilla with frijoles inside. Oh, looks pretty tasty. Chicken. Alright, so I just had some Hispanic food. I got some tacos. They're pretty great. Probably say it's a little expensive, but you can't really expect something cheap in Japan. So I'm overall happy with what I had. We'll probably come back here to eat the burritos, and maybe they had some interesting other menus. They had like ramen that was like, I don't know how it was written, but it said it was like a mix between Mexican food and Japanese food, so maybe I'll try that. But yeah, overall it was great. I'm heading through the Nishiki market, but it is empty. There's no tourists here. Just a bunch of people that probably work around here. Yeah. I'm sad to see the state of this place. When I came like 2 years ago, it was packed with people, but now you can pretty much have the whole street to yourself. So. Hopefully it'll go back to normal soon, so that I can see all the stores here open again. This is what the Nishiki district looks like right now, the current state of the place. That's pretty much it.